કેમ છો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો? ધોરણ 11 સાયન્સ ની એન્યુઅલ એક્ઝામ તૈયારી બહુ સરસ રીતે તમે કરી રહ્યા છો. ઘણા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ છેલ્લા ઘણા દિવસોથી કોમેન્ટ આપતા હતા કે વિકે સર 11 સાયન્સ ના જે સેક્શન ની જે 5 માર્કના ક્વેશ્ચન છે એના જે ચેપ્ટર પૂછાય છે એ ચેપ્ટરના અગત્યના ક્વેશ્ચનના વિડિયો મોકલજો. તો તેના ભાગરૂપે આજે આપણે ચેપ્ટર નંબર 3 10 અને ત્યારબાદ લાસ્ટ ચેપ્ટર 13 એના ટોટલ 5 ભાગમાં વિડિયો રેકોર્ડ કરવાના છે અને 5 ભાગના વિડિયો તમને વન બાય વન મળતા રહેશે. હવે હાલ આપણે અત્યારે લઈએ છીએ આપણે ચેપ્ટર નંબર 3 ના દાખલા. તો સૌથી પહેલા આપણે ચેપ્ટર 3 માં જે ઉદાહરણ એટલે કે ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન આપેલું છે આ ચેપ્ટર બંને મીડિયમમાં જોવા જાવ તો ઇંગ્લિશ અને ગુજરાતી મીડિયમમાં જનરલી કોમન જ કહેવાય. તો આપણે એવું ટ્રાય કરીએ છીએ કે આને ઇંગ્લિશમાં પ્રેઝન્ટેશન કરવાનું. ચલો લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. તો પહેલું given cos 2x into cos x by 2. So now we starting from LHS cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2. So now we know about कि c into c. So c into c not any formula, but the formula is 2cc. So 2 cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus 2 cos 3x into cos 9x by 2. Now we know about 2cc. So 2cc means c plus c. So c plus c means 2 angle only addition beta. With 2 angle only addition. So 2x plus x by 2. So angle is possible 5x by 2. 2 angle different. The possible angle is 3x by 2. Minus चलो again बता 2cc. So c plus c. So now 3x plus 9x by 2. So addition possible is 15x by 2. And here 3x minus 9x by 2. So subtraction possible minus 3x by 2. Now beta remember cos is an even to odd function. So cos is a beta even function. So 1 by 2. Then after writing cos 5x by 2 plus cos 3x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2 and cos is even. Even means angle converting positive. So what is the answer possible? Minus cos 3x by 2. Chalo cos 3x by 2 cos 3 cancel. So remaining value 1 by 2 cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. Now this is the most important illustration of the textbook. Now the required answer sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. So remember the formula of the c minus c. So what is it of c minus c? So minus 2 ss but 2 angle addition by 2. So 2 angle addition. So 20x by 2 by 2. 2 angle different. So 10x by 2 by 2. So what is the answer beta possible? So 2 to cancel minus sin. So 20 by 2 by 2. So remaining value only and only 5x. Now next. Here possible sin minus 5x by 2. You know all about. Sin is a odd given. So sin is a odd function. But cos is a given function. So sin is odd. Odd means minus taking outside. So answer is a possible sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. So this is the complete RHS. Most important illustration of the chapter number 3. And Mitro, you know about chapter number 3, chapter number 10 and chapter number 13. As per the blueprint, only 3 chapter is required in the 5 marks question, right? Now the next question. 10 pi by 8 equal to root 2 minus 1. So now we writing 10 pi by 8 equal to root 2 minus 1. So then for LHS equal to 10 pi by 8. चलो बेटा 10 means sin upon cos possible. तो बघा 10 pi by 8. तो pi by 8 is not a known value. Pi means 180 and divided by 8. So 180 divided by 8 you writing also you convert this value in the degree form. But here, applying the method of sin pi by 2 upon cos pi by 2, we divide and product by first one by 2. Then after we divide and product by cos pi by cos pi by. Now remember, what is that 2 sin alpha into cos alpha? So 2 sin alpha into cos alpha means sin 2 alpha. So angle convert twice. Divide by 2 cos square pi by 8. बराबर बेटा? चलो sin pi by 4 and denominator is a standard formula भाई. Denominator is a बेटा standard formula, key formula. चलो remember what is the key formula? So key formula means 2 cos square alpha equal to 1 plus cos 2 alpha, right? So here I am writing 1 plus cos pi by 4. Now which one same? What is the sin 45? So here sin 45 and cos 45. Both value same, 1 by root 2 and divide by 1 plus 1 by root 2. Now taking the LCM, so 1 upon root 2 plus 1. But this is not a final answer. The required answer is root 2 minus 1. Here I find out 1 upon root 2 plus 1. So now we taking, so what taking beta? So we taking conjugate. Conjugate means plus given, so taking beta minus. So root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1. Now numerator is root 2 minus 1. Denominator is a 2 minus 1. So what is the answer? So answer is possible root 2 minus 1 to equal to RHS. Means the most important things is if any type of given question you see the first LHS and that to observe the RHS and then after I start. Now I bring the one most of important question. What pi by 24 equal to required root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. This is the most important question of the annual exam. So now we start here. LHS is a beta cot pi by 24. But before that start and solve the question, you know about it. If 10 pi by 8, so I am not a convert degree because pi by 8 is a small value. But here pi by 24, so I am writing cot pi means 180 divided by 24. चलो 180 divided by 24 तो आंसर इज 7/1/2. चलो cot 7/1/2. तो you know about के cot alpha plus beta, cot 2 alpha, anyone formula apply. But here not applying any formula. We convert cot means cos upon beta. We convert cos means cos upon sin. चलो again which value beta product? तो product and divide by 2. Now remember, as per the previous question, I am writing the 10 pi by 8. There are 10 pi by 8 means sin pi by 8 upon cos pi by 8 divided product by 2. Now so here again product and divide by cos and cos 7/1/2 and here writing cos 7/1/2. चलो तो now numerator is a formula 2 cos square 7/1/2 and denominator is sin 2 alpha means sin 15 degree. चलो what is the 2 cos square? 2 cos square means again applying the key formula. So 1 plus cos 15 degree upon mitro sin 15 degree. What is the value of the cos 15? Cos 15 value remind. Cos 15 means I am writing here separately. Cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and a sin 15 is a root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This value also you find out. If 15 means 45 minus 30 and after this one we apply cos alpha minus beta formula. But here I am writing the direct value. Now I am writing in the bracket. चलो put in the beta given 1 plus. चलो what is the cos 15? So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and here root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Anyone say what is the LCM? So LCM possible 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Now the denominator value root 3 minus 1, but in the answer denominator not available. So in the answer denominator not available, so we try. Okay, here again I am taking the conjugate 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 dividing by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1, right? So which one say? The denominator a minus b, a plus b. So beta a minus b, a plus b. The answer is a square minus b square. So we writing here denominator 3 minus 1. Open the bracket. 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 1. Right? Here the denominator a square and b square. And numerator only open the bracket. So now numerator writing 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 plus 4 plus 2 root 3 and divide by 2. Now separate the value and every value divided by 2. So answer I find out most important just I am taking. Write this one. So 2 is a 2 means, so 2 means writing root 4. So this one is a successfully find out the RHS, and again I am writing that this is the most important Bahubali question of the Bakar maths, right? Most time. Now take a screenshot of this one. કેમ છો મિત્રો? Today I am writing the most important annual exam important sum is a 5 marks question. Now we starting with exercise 3.3 again. Now the question number 23, tan 4x equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to 4. So now already know about tan to alpha. So tan to alpha is only single formula. 2t upon 1 minus t square. So let's start. Here I am writing with LHS tan 4x. So tan 4x means tan 2 into 2x. So what is the tan to alpha formula beta? Remind, tan to alpha means 2t upon by 2t upon 1 minus t square, right? So again tan to alpha is only single formula 2t upon 1 minus t square. So here required the answer is also 10. So we writing 2t upon 1 minus t square, then after 1 minus 2t upon 1 minus t square the square. But right? So the required answer is 4 tan x. So again I taking LCM. So if I taking LCM, तो 2 to 4, it 4 tan x into denominator by 1 minus tan square square. But here single available. So 1 minus tan square is a cancel. So remaining 1 minus tan square the square minus 4 tan square x. बराबर? So now expand this value. So 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon, so a minus b whole square, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square and minus 4 tan square x. So what is the answer possible? So 4t into 1 minus t square upon 1 minus 6t square plus t raised to 4. Right? I am writing the required answer is a very small condition. Tan equal I am writing the only t. So this is the required RHS. Sometimes directly 5 mark question not required. But in the 5 marks 3 plus 2 possible. Means one question taking 3 marks and one question required the 2 marks. Now the next question. This question is again exercise 3.3. Now the twisted. Again question 25 is at 3.3. Now both question LHS was 4x and cos 6x. But the required condition is most important. Because cos 2 alpha how many formula? बोलो बेटा cos 2 alpha means how many formula? Total 4 formula. One is a cos square minus sin square. Second number 1 minus 2 sin square. third one is a 2 cos square minus 1, and the fourth one is a perfect beta 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. But here, as per the required condition, चलो LHS is a cos 4x बराबर, required answer 1 minus something, तो we applying first cos 2 into 2x बेटा बराबर, तो 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Why applying cos 2 alpha formula in the sign? Because the answer is required in the 1 minus form. If 1 minus form required, then we apply 1 minus 2 sin square. चलो बेटा sin 2 alpha, तो 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. Now the expand 4 sin square x into cos square x, to answer 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So this is the complete again RHS. So we writing today the most important chapter of the 5 marks, the chapter number 3, chapter number 13, chapter number 10 as per the blueprint. One by one I deliver the every video of the most important question of the 5 marks. Now the next one is again Jodhar IMP, and again I am writing the Bahubali IMP because of again cos 6x available, but the answer is required minus 1, not a 1 minus. So minus 1 required beta. So we applying 2 cos square alpha minus 1 beta बराबर ना, 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Do you know one about if we apply the cos 2 alpha formula, तो angle converting by 2 means writing, yes, perfect, writing cos 3x only. चलो remind cos 3 alpha, तो 4 cos q alpha minus 3 cos alpha the whole square बराबर. चलो a minus b whole square, तो a minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 1. Now open the bracket, 32 cos raised to 6, 48 cos raised to 4, 18 cos square x and minus 1. So this one is a complete again RHS. So now मित्रों ध्यान after I again writing the chapter 3 most important illustration. The illustration is a cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 equal to the small answer, very small answer, 3 by 2. So sometime you remember cos square is 1 minus sin square by 2. But here no, each and every cos square angle is different. You see, each and every cos square angle is different, and if the angle is different, then we apply the key formula. Now I writing the here once again the key formula, 2 cos square alpha equal to 1 plus cos 2 alpha, right? Means angle converted double. So here chalo 1 plus cos 2x by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3 by 2. Now what is the required answer beta? The required answer is very small digit, 3 by 2. So we writing 1 plus 1 plus 1 in the numerator, so 3. Every time 2 is a common, plus by 2 common, remaining cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 and cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Right madam? So cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. This is the most important key formula, and this formula defined from cos 2 alpha. Now to c plus c, so first you writing 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. चलो cos 2x plus by c plus c means 2 cc possible, 2 angle addition by 2 એટલે 4x by 2, 2 angle different by 2 એટલે 4 pi by 3 by 2, right? चलो now यहाँ पे simplify, तो cos 2x 2 cos 2x into cos 2 pi by 3, and here we are writing 3 by 2. Now remember, what is the cos 2 pi by 3? So cos 2 pi by 3 given, this is not a standard value. So we convert in cos pi minus pi by 3 and remaining all value beta x, it is cos 2x and 2 cos 2x. So what is the pi minus? So pi minus second quadrant, and in the second quadrant cos is a, in the second quadrant beta cos is a, लिख रहा हूँ negative possible, तो answer possible minus 1 by 2. Why minus 1 by 2? Because pi minus second quadrant, in the second cos is negative, and what is the cos 60? So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now to cancel, to remaining 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus cos 2x, both are cancelled, so 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 0, so answer is possible 3 by 2. So this one is a video of the most important section 20, the 5 mark question, and 5 mark question as per blueprint possible is chapter number 3, chapter number 10 and chapter number 13. Okay.